Gold finally has reached a 278.96 and made a bullish breakout above that resistance level, where the price is currently at 2796.36 price level. Yesterday, the price has formed a strong bullish candle, which has been formed after the price has formed a smaller breakout, a bullish one on the 4-hour time frame and the 4-hour time frame, which was visible and which was also a trigger for the further rise in value. This breakout has been also shared inside the premium analysis, so the traders were informed when the breakout happened and also what was their target. Well, after the price formed this bullish breakout, it was not very hard to determine where the price will go, because in the previous day analysis yesterday I have mentioned where is the target after the price makes a breakout above that price level, and also that there is a potentially a small resistance around this area here around 2774 price level, and then we can see the price has finally made a bullish breakout. Now the price has formed this bullish breakout above this resistance level, and we can see the price has gone above where the price is currently above and possibly reaching higher price levels. Well, the next question is, will the price continue to rise in value, or it will go down, first testing the previous resistance, now acting as a support around 278.96, and then continue to rise in value. This is something that we need to watch carefully, because these levels that are in front of us between these 2817.77, which I have marked as a daily resistance, these levels were not tested before, so there is a potentially a little bit we are a little bit blind, because we cannot know on which price levels the price could bounce, retrace back down, or will the price will reach some kind of a smaller resistance level. Now we can see that these are levels that are in front of the price, and if we go to the 4-hour time frame, I have also marked, and the 1-hour time frame marked these resistance levels that are in between this area where the price could stop. So if you would like also to receive this kind of a MetaTrader 4 template that I currently have with the support and the resistance levels, feel free to check the premium analysis where I share these details with the traders. So for now, I'm waiting this one, what the price will do around this area of support, but be also careful that today is a Friday when usually the traders are getting and locking their profits, which could usually move the price in the opposite direction of the technical analysis, which means there is a potential that the price could make breakout to the downside below this support level, but also to make some kind of a bullish breakout, which could be a failed one, and then return back down. Especially carefully in the afternoon when there is starting of closing the markets, so be careful about that. That's all for today. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.